never catch me flexing, demo checking with my weapon, step in my direction. You'll get wrecked in, fucking for a couple seconds, then I pick.
Your hair is kind of in the way. Can you fix it? Like, tucking in somewhere? Dude, what the frick was that? That was gay. There's nothing wrong with being gay. Alright. So, boys, I got this mask on so we don't get. We got this. We're here. I don't need this water. I'm wearing a mask so I don't die from asbestos. Because we're probably already all gonna die from asbestos. 20 years. Warning. Oh, warning what? Holy sheesh. Yeah. Looks like someone had a party here.
Oh, you got the flashlight? I forgot mine.
It's kind of chilly in here. You forgot yours? Oh, hold this. Here, get my hoodie.
No, I'm not getting the hoodie.
Get mine. Get mine. Get our hoodies. The frick, man. Freaking fat. It's kind of cold in here. It's fat. He's fat. Look at him. Is this? It's left. I feel like Joaquin. Freaking, he walks like this, dude. He walks. I want to climb it all. Yeah. Freaking Mr. Beast. If I die wearing the merch, no one's gonna buy it. Your stock's gonna go all the way down to sand. Sure. We're in this motherfucker. You guys ready to go on a freaking Dora adventure? I'm ready to go on a freaking Dora adventure. Dora the Explorer. Dora. Let's go to the cool place. The very cool place. That is very cool. That is super cool to go to. The cool place where you can die by falling. Yeah. Like this. What is it? Oh, look at that. $59.95. Every single freaking time we always see this. Like, bruh. Okay. This is another snake, dude. The snake is making it to every single The snakes are literally making it to every single video. No way. Yeah.
Oh, here's some more.
Yeah, I guarantee it. No one in this channel knows what that is.
Here's some more.
Floppy disk, dude.
Imagine
Vintage.
loading this into something. No, we're not deleting history, dude. This probably has GTA San Andreas save files. I remember last time you said if it was warm outside, you put on something like this. Is it warm outside enough for this, friend? Hey, Brandon.
There we go.
Freaking.
Ah! I don't have gloves.
Haha.
I'm the only one didn't get a flashlight. Isn't that some bullshit?
Yeah.
So far hurt themselves. That's actually blood.
Yeah.
Shit.
Found
Look,
real.
it's down here too. Look at this.
Oh.
Okay, well, don't touch it. It's probably AIDS. Let's go.
I want to lick it.
That's disgusting. Is this what goes up someone's rectum?
Yeah, dude, a fucking tube, dude, that's blue.
Want to test?
Dude, I got the weapon here, bud.
Oh, dude, imagine that like broke off and freaking smashing.
That's fun.
Snooze or lose. That's not. Yeah. Freaking, hey Timmy, get in your room. Get in your safe place.
Okay. I'm gonna sneak. I'm not gonna fit through that at all. I'm claustrophobic, low key.
I want to do that. You're recording me.
Oh, there's glass and shit.
Hey, don't be stupid.
I know, you're being dumb.
Dude, I thought there was no glass right there.
Oh, great.
Give me birth, Brandon. Give me freaking birth. Ah!
This is the break room. Or cafeteria.
Oh, it's pretty loaded the trucks.
That's
Yeah.
really like graffiti guy. It's dope.
Gang. Focus, you thing. Gang, gang. They get through that way. They get to the tower, we gotta go through this. That's kind of... Oh, do not get your legs down right there. I don't want to be too pog chant.
Yeah, there is.
Ah.
Can you fit there? You too big?
Is he too fat, dude?
No, he's not that fat.
You know,
he's the skinniest of his brothers.
He's fat
I
on
am.
top. You're, let me see the camera, let me see the camera. Let me see the camera.
Why is he getting scared?
Yeah, why is he getting scared? Man's literally skinny on his legs and fat on
Shut up.
No. Don't bully Douglas.
Don't bully Douglas in the comments. We're the only ones that are allowed to bully him. Call him Santa Claus that shaved his beard. He loves when people call him that. Here we go, boys. It's dark as hell.
Wow, here's the front desk. Oh, elevator shaft there, Zach.
Does this thing goes all the way up to the main tower?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Not to the what? Mr. P Explorer. Dude, why do people always put explorers in the name, dude? It's freaking like naming yourself Fortnite, dude. While playing Fortnite, that makes no sense. Hey there, boys. Have you ever wanted to jump out of a window? Same. Let's all jump together, Brian. Wow. You know, we're not gonna show copy and paste rooms like everybody does.
Because it was wide open. I'm not worried. I got my tetanus shot.
I didn't, but I'm not stupid enough to get cut across.
Well, it's not about. It's not about being stupid. It's just a random nail sticking out.
True.
Be careful, Terrabin.
Why is there no light aiming at me?
You didn't say. Dusty, it's nice.
Oh.
Your ass is dusty. It's nice.
Yeah, because you went on that examination table.
Yeah. Go there.
Woo! Yeah. Wow. Hard on there, runner truckers. You want to come up? You want to come up? The roof.
The roof's right here too.
Yeah, another roof.
Right? I'll come up.
Yeah, come up.
I'm gonna die.
Where I won't catch you.
I don't have gloves.
Be careful, please.
I'm good. I'm not going up.
You're not going?
No.
Yeah, I'll come up.
Cause I'm gonna bust my ass.
Hey, Brennan. Hey, look at you, you're on a whip. Don't move, I can take the backpack off of you if you want.
No, I gotta get up, dude.
I got the backpack so it doesn't get stuck. Are you scared?
Yes.
Good.
Very scared.
Now put your arm right, this other hand right here.
You're fine. Good job.
Alright, get the...
How am I getting down, dude?
Huh?
I'll be getting down.
You get down the same way you came up, Ren.
Where you came out, just take your time.
Oh, look at this. Look at this. Well, I'm gonna go on the roof, so I'm gonna get this up. What's up, Brennan? You scared?
Yeah. I'm a little scared, dude.
It's probably stairs, to be honest, Brennan.
Let's talk about it.
I'm guessing, but I'm gonna go on the roof. You wanna come with?
No, I did not.
Alright. Wow. Detroit! Whoa. Whoa. This is fun. Wow. Wow, guys, you know, I don't have the good camera, so it's not that good quality, but behind us, you got like the city, I think. Let's hope we don't get the cops calling us. What's up, boys? You chilling? Imagine if my freaking hoodie thing gets stuck on one of these things, that would suck. Oh, this is the ladder? Someone put graffiti right there. Imagine just sitting right there and putting graffiti. What's up? I don't got my glove on, although. Alright. Oh.
No, dude, don't go up there.
No, it's not even that high. It's the same length.
It's way up there.
This is the last one. Okay, I'm going up this one.
Careful, huh?
Yeah. Actually, freak, dude. I don't have a tetanus shot, dude. Ow, freaking hit my head, dude. Wow. Woo. Wow, it's a great view, dude. I should falling down that. There's only 3 stories, so this is not even high. Hello there, mother truckers. Imagine falling down this.
Yeah, it really sucked.
That was a metal screws I almost freaking ran into. I feel like freaking Spider-Man. Ow! I gotta poop. More. Woo! Woo! Are you recording?
Yes, I am.
You see where my hands are?
If you're getting too high, you're gonna hurt someone these days.
No.
You won't die from this unless you land your head.
Huh?
You just break your ankle.
I don't feel like hurting my foot again.
Yeah, it's like
You-
ambulance will come, the cops will come, arrest us for.
No, we would fucking have to carry Zach out and then go to a park like he fell off the park.
Okay, that's enough.
Yeah, it's too dark in here.
That's enough GoPro footage. Here. Wow.
I don't know. Who's playing that?
Wow, boys, that was this wonderful place. You're fine, right, Ren? This was this wonderful place. This is called AMC. Yeah, that was freaking AMC. This place was pretty cool. Everything's sick here. I don't know, I'm talking like Dad does in his freaking
She calls on me. Why can't she see it? You're the one she needs, but all she wants is me.
Putting yourself at risk anyways.
Hey, Brad.
Hang on.
Hey, Dad.
Hey.
How do people build this?
Yeah.
I want to go up there, but I want to get 10 nice shot before I freaking go on rusty stuff, dude.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's a dope ass graffiti in that satellite, Zach.
Where? No, that's pretty sick. But yeah, boys, this is a sick place. Michigan has a lot of abandoned places because this place, because Michigan, freaking what? Michigan is it's basically an abandoned wasteland that just everything was here to die, and Brennan's literally just. I'm related to that guy. It's really sick, dude. Really extreme. Really cool.
Next time you see it.
What?
Next time you see it.
I wouldn't say this is stupid, but this is pretty sick. I don't think so. Wait, did he fall? I'm gonna do this with $700 camera really quickly. Woo! Oh, I'm able with a $700 camera, dude. Hey, Brian. Hey, Apple.
Hey, Apple.
See, this is like freaking the vlogs of the death. I want to do the outro up here. All right, boys. Where's the frick is Detroit? That was the video. This was a freaking an AMC place. Detroit right there. That's the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, remember to comment or just subscribe, I guess. They're all down there because they're a bunch of.
Are they?
Hey, Whip!
You will never catch me flexing, demo checking with my weapon, step in my direction, you'll get wrecked in, fucking for a couple seconds, then I pass, right now got my Smith & Wesson, you won't last, ain't no flexing, demo checking with my weapon.